class? Will you come to the class tomorrow? Will you come to the class tomorrow? What? I never ever permit you to make absence. Okay? That's good. Thank you so much. And was it nice? Yes, Sahil on fresh news. Sahil, fresh news. Sahil, golden words. Anything that you have new. Hurry up. Oh, take a start. Yesterday I not. Yesterday I didn't come to the class. No, sir. Oh, what? Just look at there. Look at there. Yes. No. No fresh news. Yes, next. Abdullah, fresh news. Abdullah, you do not bring a fresh news. What is the reason behind it? Yes. You are having sister. She does not work English, how to speak English. And despite of it, unfortunately, you are not going to present an idea, you do not bring fresh news. So that would become very difficult for you to learn English. English is not difficult. Difficult is not so much difficult. It needs only practice. Practice will make you perfect. Okay? Try to bring up fresh news. Okay? Yes? Exactly. Oh, I didn't go to the school. How do you feel right now? How do you feel right now? Feeling well? Fit as a fiddle? Good job. Everyone say nice next one. Okay, students, what did I teach last time? Yes? Okay. I don't need excuses. How about your books? How about your books? Samya, how about your books? Simran, drink. Let's come toward the book. Telling page number. Page number 95. Presentation number 5. Presentation number 5. Okay, Muzammil, read the direction. Muzammil, read the direction. Presentation number 5 from
Contrast of some and any summary verified.
contrast of some and any. Okay, yesterday I told you that contrast means a mawazna karna. Contrast means a mawazna karna. Some and any. There is some and any, but there may be some differences in some case हमारे we use it in one case sentences, some all case sentences we use some with the countable nouns and non-countable nouns. Some चीजें के हम all case sentences इस्तेमाल और countable nouns इस्तेमाल और non-countable nouns इस्तेमाल. For example, what I want to buy some pins. I want to buy some pins. And says so here I use some with a pure countable noun. Pure countable noun से इस्तेमाल करें. Next topic को any वो any चीजें के हम negative sentence इस्तेमाल और enjoy इस्तेमाल हो और any को हम countable noun से इस्तेमाल हो और pure countable noun से इस्तेमाल और non-countable noun से इस्तेमाल. Okay, let's come to one example. Example तेरा here. Do you have any pencils? जिसला any को पूरा पर enjoy के sentence इस्तेमाल करें. बस किस तरह करेगा? Very sorry. Yes, sir. design of book? Where is that? Huh? Okay, so do you have any any pencils? No, I don't have any pencils, but I have some pencils. I don't have some pencil. Masara, your pencil नहीं है, but masara सब पिन नहीं है. Some मतलब कुछ. मेरे पास कुछ पेन है. मेरे पास कुछ पेन है. Next example, did Sam have any toaster?
No.
And no, he did not have any toaster, but he had some eggs. Next one, reading for yourself. I'm not reading it, Shabas.
Do you have any camera? No, I don't have any camera, but I have some milk.
Hurry up. Sahil, you have to be ready. Come on, read it again.
Cream sata hai.
Huh?
Cream sata hai. Do you
Do
have
you
any
have
cream?
any cream? Cream होता होगा ना? No, I don't have any cream, but I have some milk. Then like cream दगाता होया. Listen. अगर दुकान से ना, दुकान से खसी क्या मलाई. Okay, let's move on. Skill building number 6, huh? Skill building number 6.
Yeah.
Usman Khan, interaction. Oh, how you will know in this sentence we will use some and in this sentence we will use any. तब तो बस ये पता लग जाए कि हम वैसा नहीं वाला तो any वाला. Good. Any वर्ब का सेंटेंस किससे मतलब वो और any क्या होगा any वर्ब का नेगेटिव किससे मतलब होगा इंटरवेटिव का और सम वर्ब का खाली पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस किससे मतलब ओके so look at the first one PS दिया yes PS do you have any peers today I am sorry I don't have any peers but I have some apples number का सम सेंटेंस किससे मतलब करेगा पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस क्या और any मतलब किससे मतलब और नेगेटिव और इंटरवेटिव क्या look at the first one पहले नहीं था कोरिया do you have Shabbos do you have any fish today मतलब fish today करना fish today का मतलब non count number हाँ उनको एक दो और सम मतलब किससे मतलब वो लूर पार्टिकल नंबर किससे मतलब वो और non count number किससे मतलब वो the fish today मतलब non count number है but do you have any fish today I'm sorry, I don't have any fish, but I have some chicken. But I have some chicken. Okay, two number, you make it for yourself. You make it for you. The rest you have to make it for yourself. Cheese, double dash, eggs. How to make it? Do you have
any cheese today?
Cheese today? No, I'm sorry.
I don't have.
I don't have cheese.
I have butter.
But I have
some
eggs. But I have some
Some
eggs.
eggs.
Come on, do it in a pair form. Go to the sunshine and do practice for the example. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Do you have any orange today?
I am sorry, I don't. I have orange, but I have some
Pineapple.
pineapple.
Afsana Tare. Good job.
Do you have any eggs today?
Sorry, I don't have any eggs. but I have any serious.
I have some.
Okay, three number. Yes, Afsar, you'll ask the question from Abdullah.
Do you have any points
Oranges.
today?
I'm sorry, I don't have any orange, but I
Oranges.
origin, but I have some
Pineapple.
pineapple.
But I have some pineapples. Good job. It was really nice. Okay, the fourth one, Sahil, you ask the question and Muhammad Zeb will give response. Yes.
Do you have any eggs today?
I don't have any eggs today. Some cereals. Cereals. Good job. It was really nice. Okay, now you will ask the question and he will give response. Carrots, but I have some.
Yes.
Let's move on. Reaction number 7. Reaction number 7. Okay, read the directions and follow. You have to read the directions. Give advice. Should not. Listen, students. Whenever we want to give advice to someone, we use a should. Like, this is the matter of should. For example, you should not eat junk food. You should eat healthy food. This is healthy food. You should eat yes. You should eat vegetables, chicken, fish, etc. Understand? Whenever we want to give suggestion, whenever we want to give advice to someone, we should go for should. Okay, let's come to Russia. Tom feels sicker. Tom means say बीमार है. Kapan? If he feels sicker. अगर जैसे कि बीमारी में से अगर कि बीमारी है, जैसे क्या? He should go to the doctor. Look at the first one. Reading over here. Adela is tired. How to make it? No. If Adela, okay, if she is he should go to bed early. He should go. Oh, sorry. She should go to bed early. Good. Okay, 2 number. Let's want a better job. Shabash.
If you want a better job,
She should.
he should.
She should look at the ads. She should look at the ads. अगर advertisement बोलिया. She should look at the ads. Ads, ADS तो advertisement. Okay, how to make a fourth one? Yes, Safia. Safia. The Logans want to go on a trip. Fourth one.
If
Huh?
you let what?
The Logans want to go on a trip. If they want to go on a trip, they should buy some borrow from someone. They should. Okay, they should go to the Marine. They should go to the America. That's the third responsibility. Understand?
They should eat vegetables.
Third one. Third one. If he is late for work, he should tell the boss. He should tell the boss. अगर तो एडवांस करके करना दे शुड बी द मैच टू कर दिया No, they have got the head got and the one is No, Ali have got okay. अगर समझ खाली बहुत जैसे I have got some money, master CBCD. I have money. Okay,
I had got some money.
I have some receipt. No, I have got some money. मेरे पास कुछ पैसे हैं. I have some money. Not मेरे पास money है. I had some money. That's it. I had some money. Not had the word मैं got नहीं इस्तेमाल किया. I had some money. मेरे पास कुछ है. First of all, I have got or have got the past. Let's move on. Read. Which one of the men does it? Suppose it's a guy. Go here. Christina is angry at Gino. If he
5.
if she is angry at Gino, she should explain why she is angry about her. Why she is angry? Why she is angry about her? About him. Gino should not go in front of him. In front of her. Are you done?
Yes.
Let's move on. Page number 96. Reaction number H. Reaction number H. अब दो मानो interaction. Question with how often? I told you question how often did you want to see? How often according to grammar? Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. How often it is used to ask about the repetition of an action. Understand now? Okay, let's come toward the question. Question तरह की ask and answer question. Question को कोई प्रश्न कया? Answer बोल कया. How often did Paul eat cake when he was on his diet? Huh? Once a month. Okay, first number is how often Mr. Young reads the newspaper?
Every night.
He reads the newspaper every night. Full response of calculation of every night available. Understand?
Yes.
Good job. Okay, clue number. How often John reads the health one in eight?
Every day.
Every day. Hurry up, do the translation and do practice for it right now. Hurry up, you do. तो पूछ लिया ए जवाब पूछ लिया do practice okay just what you want to say how often does the man kindur mama how often the Navas go on a trip the Navas family पर trip जाता है क्या महसूस लीजिए पर हाँ every summer हर योग कर रही है every summer how often Paul played tennis last year जब Paul चुका है महसूस tennis बोलिएगा once a month per month पम्याश की वे usually बोली last year दिन काल में usually पम्याश की वे usually बोलिया tennis बोलिया how often Paul played tennis when he was on his diet 3 times
How often the goes
How often they will remove some diet?
how often he plays tennis
Plays
now?
tennis now. Every week.
गाना speed is
okay Muhammad said you last lesson and Abdul Rahman will give us where the last give us what is the number how often every day okay सब Yeah, you will ask question and Maria will give response. No, how often the hours? Ah, listen, did you do it another? Yes, sir. How often does the Nawa do the Nawas do the Nawas go on a trip? Answer of showers. Every summer. Awas in this small listen. How often do you play cricket? How often do you play cricket? Listen. If you were saying at your observing bajo, how often because observing. Auxiliary kila msa kila past tense base bari ko music ko get bajo kila present ke on do
Doodle.
and I just forget one issue. Okay, the first one basically how often does Mr. Young reads? Okay, read. We have a reads. How often does Mr. Young read the newspaper? Every day. How often does John read the health wanted ads? Every day. How often do the Navas go on a trip? Every day. How often did Paul play tennis last year? Was precaution here? Any problem? Good job. Let's move on. Pronunciation number 9. Pronunciation class तुम्हारे लिए छोटा सा pronunciation class अलगा. Video class बता रहा हूँ pronunciation बस तब video के लाड़ में अब pronunciation तब के थ्रू प्लेस कर देते हैं बेटा. Just a laptop से laptop. Okay, listen, I bring it. This is the Ralama. We're going to master your pronunciation. We will Ralama. Pronunciation. The word single pronunciation. Understand the pronunciation. The word, the pronunciation word. Jump set on 44 sounds. 44 sounds. Understand? Okay, time. Eyes. Right. White. Idea. Library. Why is the rice so high? Why is the price so high? Presentation number 10. Presentation number 10. Okay, yes, Mr. You need the direction. Okay, some lesser, count down, and number lesser. Count तुम्हारे लिए करना चिल्ला सम को किसने वाला वो? Your countable number हाँ? Okay, look at the first one. Very sentence over there. I would like some exam. I would like some exam. That is the matlab. No, I would like the मैं चाहता हूँ. I would like to buy some exam. मैं चाहता हूँ मुझे अंडे खरीद. Okay, I would like some exam. I would like some pencil. मैं क्या चाहता हूँ? मैं कुछ पेन चाहता हूँ. Understand? Okay, I would like 3 exam. I would like 3 exam. I would like 6 exam. 6 pens. Okay, pens. Next is interaction number 11. Interaction number 11. Okay, after the direction.
Asking for something in our store.
Yes.
If you are in a store and you are not trying something as a skill for help.
Good job. It was really nice. Okay, listen to us. I need I need some razor blade. Okay, razor blades. Shabash. Hurry up. I need some razor blades. I need some razor blades. Yeah. I'll get I'll get some for you. The bata the parsuwa nama. Understand? I'll get some for you. How many?
Any.
No. Yes. How many razor blades would you like?
Some would like.
I need.
I need some.
No. I need two. I need three. I need four. I need five. I need one. I need a
razor
one.
blade. The our razor so beautiful by the wire.
Yeah, I'll get some for you. How many razor blades would you like? Yeah, yeah, packages is well, not pack. Pack is the packages. Understand?
I need some.
Packages, huh? P-A-C P-A K-A-G-E-S packages, huh? Packages kana packages. Razor blades see a packages. Packages बताओ एक 10 packages 7 packages को कर दिया. I need one package या two package, three, etc. How much do you need? Do you understand? Good. Interaction number 12. Interaction number 12. Yes, Abdul Rahman. Interaction.
Talking about
Talking about meals. Talking about meal. Meals is how you rotate. After the early rotation, master rotation, meals. Understand? Talking about meals. What do you usually have for breakfast? Huh? समझ
some of my classes
अमूमन या अक्सर सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट की या लंच की या डिनर की किस हो गया आई यूजुअली या आई समटाइम्स लंच नहीं के शाबाश आई या डिनर के आई यूजुअली हैव चिकन आई यूजुअली हैव they have no particular. I usually have sandwich. I usually have chicken soup. I usually have whatever it is. I usually have fish. Hurry up. And sometimes I sometimes have shabash and I chicken penetration से निकल कर आगे बढ़ differentiation से निकला and I usually have steak steak kebab tau ya
जी that's well kebab.
hurry up hurry up okay Safia you last question and Mario will give response hurry up Oh, nice, good job. Reaction number 13, noun plus noun. If you remember, बता सो याद करना पर level 2 की चीजें करना noun full topic दिया. Noun चीजें करना we taught this topic in a very detail. तास समझ आ noun topic से करना पर detail की चीज करो. I swear तास समझ दो टाइप की चीज करना countable noun, uncountable noun, yes, abstract noun, material noun, concrete noun, yes, कुछ चीजें वो concrete noun, abstract noun, material noun. compound noun, this is a proper noun, common noun, the equal nouns with the case of noun, subjective case, objective case, that's not to do. Okay, do you remember about it of the yet here?
Noun plus noun
As
is
we know. There are those nouns which we cannot touch, which we cannot physically see. Which we cannot touch it. Which just feel it. We just feel it. I say that the types 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 of nouns the BS के समान और तास तुमको पहले उल्टी होती है आई से मुझे BS के स्टार्ट किया BS किया बस टीचर तक मुझे बस सीखना है बस मतलब बस आई डोंट केयर व्हाट इज द रेस्ट ऑफ द डू अंडरस्टैंड दे वांट टू नो अबाउट इट दे डोंट बस आई डोंट सी उन्हें कोई बना आई से फॉर BS की तास तो अच्छा बस किया नाउ चलो टैग फ्रॉम नाउ चलो कॉन्टिन्यू dia pronoun tak sama teach करेगा पहले और तीसरी मात्रा तो pronoun teach करेगा pronoun में तो predicate teach करेगा pronoun माने क्या ना जब हम pronoun teach करेगा reflexive pronoun demonstrative pronoun innovative pronoun natural pronoun okay so now जो करना चाहिए वो मैं जो नाम रहा ये दो नाम को यूज है तो अगर तुम नाम ले लो we call it compound noun not just noun is called a compound noun compound noun का हमारे यूज open compound noun, closed compound noun, and hyphenated compound noun का समूह होता है. Do you remember क्या चीज़ था? Open compound noun, closed compound noun, hyphenated compound noun. Open compound noun आगे तो is spelled as a one word. आगे तो spell किया one word. For example, shopkeeper. Shopkeeper का one word spell की, your word pronounce किया. मतलब त्याने words जो दिया वो your words pronunciation आता है और close compound yes sir close compound आता है तो which are two words spell किया for example bus driver मान लीजिए बस जाना spell किया और driver जाना मतलब compound नाम दिया okay this is a hyphenated compound which है वो hyphenated compound अगर नाम तो which कलम सरा contains all hyphen चला गया for example father-in-law और ये क्या hyphen आगे नहीं करना जिसका मतलब नाम हुआ ये hyphenated compound so noun plus noun is called compound noun left on the word the book तलाश है okay Sahil preparation for example तो करें if a sandwich has ham and egg chicken sandwich किस चीज़ का ham है it is a ham sandwich ham दबन हज़िर बहुत दबा ham चीज़ का ना हज़िर बहुत दबा जब तक तो वो यो ham sandwich चल पढ़ लेंगे never try it stop it have you ever eaten it Zamil चले try करेंगे हाँ Quran के अल्लाह ताला ने चिकन चिकन बिल्मा दिनों से लिया आपको चिकन दा शर जवाब दा दा चिकन को बिल्मा से करके दा खजरान ने माने न बच्चा अगर ये दिया पत्थर दिया जब अल्लाह ताला के बता पत्थर बना के अल्लाह ताला का जिंदगी से दे दिया और अल्लाह ताला क्या होगा वो जब तुम जीवन में किया दा ये खजरान ने चीज पत्थर दिया ठीक है तो just thinking about it, doing how to I say, that's the reality. I do not perform that prayer. I do perform listen. See, जब पहले सहार मुस्लिम ने को सफर reality. I do not perform that prayer. More than no way to something I say. Reality, but despite of it, I cannot wake up. बस Allah lagi lagi.
जी उधर सीखेगा ना
Allah sebenarnya itu ya, macam berdoa dari dia datang bilang dokter. Okay, let's go to the book of the last kawan. Look at the first syllable. And if a pie has apples in it, it is a sugar.
Nepal
So, apple pie. Apple pie.
Chicken soup.
Okay, if soup has okay sorry if soup has chicken in it, it is a chicken soup. Chicken soup मतलब कब नाम किया? If a pizza has cheese on it, it is a cheese pizza. Cheese pizza. Cheese तो क्या? पनीर तो है पनीर पिज़्ज़ा का फर्क है चीज की चीज आप बोले अगर टूट गई last night we went to Jesus with you what that was a very
जी आया वाली साइड जीम सुगिरी गया हुआ
okay stop
जी कैप्सूल में वाला आती है
okay there is your big bird there ना पूरा पिछाड़ come on there is your big bird there ना पूरा पिछाड़ hurry up okay you have to come toward the page number 101 101 tarashi 101 जब तुम पे इंग्लिश को हटा 0 101 tarashi 101 okay just leave it finish ours 101 tarashi page number 101 silent reading number 22 silent reading number
22
any suggestions Rina 101 tarashi oh it's giving a lot of time silent reading just read it right now does not read the question answer or Shabbos right now and prepare the main idea right now what's the two now main idea of the Shabbos silent reading no just read it right now Shabbos hurry up
You got the book.
that's silent reading hurry up
Enough now.
one thing more I'm gonna have an activity on Saturday for the activity there yes tomorrow what you will do about the zikar ke about the okay oh the body no you this your 17th anniversary so 17th anniversary here think about the question here describe your best friend in detail okay one question so if you become the Prime Minister of Pakistan for a single day, what will you do? If you become Prime Minister of Pakistan, the single day for Pakistan was what you will do? Okay. Next answer, describe.
I am Senator of Pakistan.
Describe the most memorable day of your life. बस जिंदगी की सब आप बस एक्सप्लेन का इधर पर बिल्कुल ना यादगार हो जाए बिल्कुल ना यादगार understand next yeah describe your favorite personality and explain why अगर explain का personality इसका best personality का भी शख्सियत है वाक़िया अव्वल है and why अव्वल है understand next answer if you could change listen, if you could change one thing about the world, what would it be? Kata pa dunia ki assistant kawat world ang musician. Understand? So, listen, din naman friend ko kasi और दी की बता तो ये topic बताया whatever that is. Are your topic?
जी तो आप गिला पानी saway. Haji sheru nula saway. Haji. Di naman namin pero. Kisa kisi. Mobile card rally.
Okay, now group is sent. Huh?
Haji. Dito daw ako.
Yung ba yung broken? Yung broken.
Okay, sir.
Kaya mo Jamila. Jamila. Jamila.
Listen, sir.
Jamila.
Mostly your task, sir. उसमें से task, sir.
और जो निकल गया
जवाब नहीं देगा खाली टॉपिक हो गया we are gonna give off we will give off after 10 hurry up okay समाज करते मिलो you superintendent
Haji pati basi to.
okay for instance what what's your query what is your query what is your query what is your query no explain that what is your location where are you now don't say like that that's so quick enough what is your query
I am from Pakistan. Mana cakap you sir ji. Mana cakap you what is your I am from Palakabad.
what is your query let us say what is your query for instance immediate where are you right now close pakam de where are you now I am in the class I am in the
Wow.
class.
I am level 3 class. I am Palakabad.
What is your query
In the class.
oh what is your query at academy
Language center, English language center. United. United.
that's my class that's correct we don't have enough time to the area
Sorry, Java.
Ini kita pun dapat parpol di laut. Jadi soalnya kita punya berdapat di laut, kita dapat parpol di laut.
okay let me tell you one poetry that is Rahman Baba your poetry listen why just listen कोई खलक कोई फजीदों की करार दे खलक कोई फजीदों की करार दे मारमान चिया लिदले बेकरार लदरे परिशय के रहमान बाबा वो कना अब जैसे रहमान बाबा आई थिंक सो पप्पो की लिए ये कारता नबी रिसला करना बाबा लो पप्पो की आई थिंक सो लिए करना पप्पो की लिए वो नबी रिसला करना लिए ये बात बाबा दाशी हुई है खलक कोई फजीदों की करार दे मारमान चिया लिदले बेकरार मतलब कर यार जो नबी रिसला करना बोलते हो खलक कोई करार दे इसमें लगेगा बिजनेस सब कुछ लगेगा करार मिला है तो magically ni idare kana bize bekara hai ma bize rikka lagi beche ne ma male sakun male da dunia band रहा है जितना वाला नबी ने तरफ तरफ मुश्किल ही हो गया अगर ये करना listen पोएट्री इसलिए करना हमेशा पॉजिटिव ही करे यार तो करो पॉजिटिव बस ये क्यों यार कोई खलक कोई तैयार बकरियों कमी गिना जमजम को बस को कमी गिना और किस्मत के सो जाए भी वो लोग किस्मत का बड़ा बन ده شيء تيجي من الناس الذين positive feeling عليها أنا positive feeling عليها तैयार बकतो कमीना जमजम को बसको कमीना زوجات بيوقف في قسمتنا في الجرائم. Okay, next. Give me attendance. Attendance का तुम्हारा जरा That's the point to the G. Point to the G.
Yes, sir.
Ita wal bisa cerita.
What is it?
Sajima itu nudi juga. Dan dua wedi
Masukkan di sini.
هذا
Terus yang
Nah, nama.
biasa kemudian bunyi dua.
هذا باس بلوار يسوي باس
Dan dua wedi atas kamu nudi.
Dua ya cikgu, ya mama saya. Siapa sih itu?
Ya, sama itu.
Do they have any mobiles customer that she has in customer के लिए next लगा I did tell you I did tell you that you have to bring a mobile and watch it. I'll listen vocabulary. I didn't listen. I didn't get a chance to listen. Okay. Omar. Hey, you can go. Go. Homework. Listen to that's the Mara Chinan Nabat after the Butch and Chakopelia, over of his information. I will never have, yes? That's all right. Jata system of the class was decided. You made a lot of absent in this class. Another say for the level 3 ki taraf decided. We are about to finish it down the khatmu ki taraf there is nothing. Nobody is submission. I thought each and every good task some also was there is try not to make us in HTML and we are a few days to plan we so Danavia so chipper party we will finish it as soon as possible now. Okay, we are going to start level 4 like level 4 that is very interesting and after level 4 and 10 zero and 10 is the most significant okay in the whole level. I'll teach you the whole level. I'll teach you all the topics of listen. I'll teach you part of speech on intensive teaching all tenses. Tenses teaching all tenses. Two tenses. We are having 12 tenses. 12 tenses. That is simple present tense. That is that 12 uses. 12 simple present tense. That 12 uses. That is the hero tense. The hero tense is there is a lot of simple present tense अगर कि वो simple बोलता सब को intense के paradigm में study paradigm में बस चीज है study हो जाए वो बहुत बड़े चीज के वापस लौट जाएगी तो ये वापस आ जाएगी
My one friend tell me that our B is trying to speak now. And just so class, just our grammar class.
yes that is just grammar class and in this quantity only you have to just focus on your speaking
So yesterday I read and his
once you learn all the tenses you can come the two tenses is the she can have the speaking couple of the but level 3 level 4 अंदर speaking you know then best key we were the same age like you who got something speaking for but once we get to once we got to level intensive logical intensive or we become a very fluent we used to talk up intensive we Starting tag in English. The intention of what tense is to list up on the tense is one cover here. Obviously here. But tense is the अलावा cover नहीं किया. So that's the moment that you can tense इस्तेमाल करी that's अगर speaking इस्तेमाल होगा. उन्हें that's simple present tense इस्तेमाल होते रहे आधा नहीं इस्तेमाल होगा. Simple past tense में इस्तेमाल कर नहीं इस्तेमाल होगा. Past continuous tense में होते रहे नहीं इस्तेमाल होगा. Present continuous tense में होते रहे नहीं इस्तेमाल होगा. Simple future tense में होते रहे नहीं इस्तेमाल होगा. that's the most tense में चीज करी दो past simple past tense past continuous tense दो simple present tense present continuous tense दो और future tense well जिकम tense है our future is the tense में इस्तेमाल कर दिया है and these are the most significant for speaking that is the tense चीज का speaking का मतलब it is the best here अगर लोग tense चीज अगर tough here वजह करते हैं perfect continuous tense past perfect continuous tense understand ना simple present tense present perfect continuous tense that is the लोग क्या हुआ
हम एक संख्या को थोड़े कंफ्यूज किया और एक संख्या को कितना बार कंफ्यूज
you don't have to know about it that's the what's the diagram there no diagram which is the statistical that there is nothing diagram was the graph bahari face में that's the diagram graph understand ना चिकन diagram brush it up somehow फिर diagram बनना
ऐसा निकल रहेगा
intensity
Sir, yes, I guess, but I'm really upset because level 3 is going to end, but my speed is very weak.
how many absence do you get in level 2 in level 3 level 2 की तरफ नहीं क्लास में रहा है पर level 3 की तरफ सब दे रहा है चिकन में और अजीम आगे प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है चिकन में आइडिया तो सर तो पूरा चिकन का फ्रेश आउट सपोज होगा तो सबका स्कूल समझ से लेवल 1 से चेक कर सकता ऐसे लेवल 1 से लेकर चेक करके बस अभी खाली स्पीकिंग हो रही है तो खाली अभी प्रेजेंटेशन हो रही है that's the level 3 student is you feel ashamed that's the another shame being a level 3 student I cannot speak in English being a level 3 student I cannot beat a level 1 student the level 3 student and the level 1 student should be more why what is the reason behind it what is that because you do not practice the only reason your word is practice
so how do you work with
let's just practice practice will make you perfect go to home for the lecture तो मस्त स्ट्रक्चर हो जाएगा सिंपल फीचर में होते रहेगा ना what are you doing on Sunday तो आपका संडे मन से क्या शीशी तो देगा but I will I wake up I'll go to this place I'll go to this place I'll go there just start with yourself that's the comment there is no shame the shame of the history I said let them love whoever love at you also the person let them love don't care about the people what they will say what they say if they say they are he is crazy so what if a people call you so what if a people call you crazy so what if a person call you you are nothing that you person with is something you are English language is something so what nothing could happen isn't it here but listen सब जिंदगी के दोनों 12 साल कामयाबी 2000 मेहनत पे करना जिसका कामयाबी से 10 शो मचाओ किया दुनिया में बोले चला रहा लग रही है and nobody is doing it your कसम बोल रहे हैं and your कसम खरीदने दे your कसम जिसने शिव दिया जिससे समय बंधन सवाल गरीब है बंधन कर सकते हैं दा ऐसे फजल खबर है तब क्या फायदा है हम कपड़े ले चलिए उठा ले चलिए सबने ले चलिए ऐसा इतना गरीब है ना let that poor look at the banana you
काल हो सकते
listen listen talk again that fight is fight in the Bible that's like a jungle is not the dimag I need your attention that's not the jungle dimag is shade jahiliya kata zana gharib है तो गरीब kata zana मालदार है तो मालदार है kata zana you can speak English kata zana English you can say you can speak up kata zana I can't sana shama kore you cannot
junga por falo eu junga em espelho llamo
listen खाली बेया वेले शमा try position
did you rodeo
never ever try that's the question once you have entered the class and your attention in a whole day you just take out 1 hour for English 1 hour for lunch. And despite of it, a person, yes, once you enter the class enters here, majority, no, I'm not talking about majority. The more students, they are talking in Pashto. Is it the way that you improve your English? Never, ever, never in the media here. It's future impossible tense. That was the gift na mungkin na ha. But this is no English with this no. I just glow up so that I jump at you. That way is the shape.
No, this environment is very out.
Amerika na malaking Masih bisu-bisu.
I swear that English not a tough language. Understand? This is not that much difficult. But don't mushkil nahi hai. How much you made it for yourself that it is difficult. This one your portion. So, lesson students are, you are having a great chance and you are having opportunities to make heaven the sunshine. And the reason opportunities is the mungkin to miss. Once you go ahead, come up kilashi the mobility percentage. Then I wish I would have best that time. Kash kichi our time mare miss kare. Malik let us know. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a blessed day. Break a day.